games PPT for the virtual events. That's what I'm going to share over here. Not only for the virtual events, even when we were hosting our physical events, we used to use a lot of PPTs as well, like during the post lunch sessions, or sometimes whenever the participants they want to sit and relax. We used to have the games PPT, which we used to project whenever there is a possibility of having a projector over there at the event venue. We used to use the PPT so that we can conduct such games. Now in the virtual world, we are more prone to use the PPTs because we don't have multiple choice. Because when we have more than 20-25 participants, we cannot have everyone on the video, and also we cannot make everyone speak at a time. So we are forced to use a lot of PPTs so that people can respond over the chat. So this is how we started using the PPTs for the virtual events. So I'm going to share you how we exactly prepare this PPT. Hello everyone, MC Thamarasan here from Chennai Event MCs, Entertainers and Professionals, Virtual MC, MC Trainer, MC Manager and the founder of the above brands. So whenever a client approaches us, we ask them their requirement. We also send them a checklist to understand the need, and we tell them what sort of activities we do. First, we send a demo PDF explaining what sort of activities we use, like the PDF will have PPT based games, quiz, tongue twisters, Zumba, magic shows and mentalism shows, and whatever the sort of entertainment activities we are able to provide to the clients will be listing out in the PDF. Also, we share some of our past event pictures as well, and some of the videos as well, so that the clients understand how the event is going to be. And also we are always open for the suggestion. We also mentioned that this is the ready-made template which we can customize based on the client's need, and once a client approves, we go ahead with the customized PPT. We always have a ready-made PPT. For example, even if you ask me to conduct a corporate event now, I can just like that use that PPT, can conduct it. However, we don't use the same PPT every time. Rather, we make few changes here and there. Almost like 60 to 80% of the PPT remains the same. 20 to 40% we design it based on the clients. For example, maybe I may be handling white collar employees. Sometimes I may need to handle blue collar employees. Sometimes I need to handle IT people. Sometimes we need to handle BPO. We need to handle different sort of audience. So accordingly, we change some of the games. However, if you are going to do this as a long run, I need not change it every time. Rather, we need to create a standard template or standard PPT for every type of audience. For example, when we used to have the physical events, we had 4 to 5 different types of PDF for the corporate team outing. Based on the team strength, like if it's 20 to 40 people, we'll be having a set of PPT, a set of games which we'll conduct for them. If the crowd is from 50 to 100, we'll have different set of games. Likewise, since virtual world is new for us, we are also in the exploring stage. So we don't mind spending several hours in the research and also preparing the PPT. For example, whenever we get a new client, we spend almost like minimum 2 hours, on an average 6 to 8 hours to prepare the PPT. Even today, tomorrow we are going to have a team outing, a virtual team building activities, for which we have already been spending 8 to 10 hours. The reason why we spend for every client is we are still in the exploratory stage. We are still in the learning stage. We wanted to give a better experience to the client. So we don't mind spending so much hours in the initial research stage and also the exploratory stage. But as time passes by, as we start hosting more and more corporate events, we would also know that this is what exactly we are going to deliver to the client. This is what the client is exactly going to expect. In that case, we'll have the ready-made PDF and the PPT, so that whenever the clients call, we will be able to deliver it then and there, or immediately we'll be able to do that. And how we design the PPT, like myself and Nandini, we sit for a discussion, and whenever some games come to our mind, we just note it down, and we ask our team members. Sometimes we do it, and sometimes to train our team members for them to get the exposure, we just tell them the topic. This is what the topic. I will need certain data from it. For example, if I want some movie based quiz, so I'll be giving them, this is the topic. I want 20 movies in this list. And our team members, they prepare they collect the material so that they also get exposure, and we become the we do all the brainy work in the beginning, and the team members do the execution work. But as they start doing the execution work, they also start thinking in that, like when they get exposure to a lot of other activities like this, they also come up with their own ideas, and we are always open for the ideas and the suggestions as well. So this is how we design the PPT. If you're a client or an event manager watching this video, if you like to hire us for your events, you can WhatsApp us on our number 900-308-7198, alternate number 86102-57395. You can get to know more about us on our website, virtualeventmcs.com. You can watch our videos on our YouTube channels, Virtual Event MCs and also Chennai Event MCs. And you can watch our you can watch other activities and also get regular updates from our Facebook pages, Virtual Event MCs and also Chennai Event MCs. Thank you. Have a wonderful time.